Hey there everyone, welcome to Gaming Basics, and on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add your phone number to your EA account. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, open up your web browser and type in ea.com. After you type in ea.com, just hit enter to open the EA website. Once the EA web page loads up, head over to your account, which should be located in the top right section of the page. Just click on it and click on account setting. Once you're inside account setting, scroll down a little bit and you can see your phone number section. Now click on add phone number and click on send security code. Now what this will do is send a security code to your email address. So go onto your email address and get the code and put it in the text box right here. Once you put it in your security code, just click on submit. Now if your reason is not correct, then go on and choose your reason first, but mine is correct, so I'm just gonna put my phone number below it. Now once you put in your number, just tap on send code. Now EA will send the code to your phone number. Just go to your messages on your phone and get the code and put it in the text box right here. Once you put in your security code, just click on submit. And that's it on how to add phone number to your EA account. If you guys have any confusion, feel free to leave your queries down in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.